Imagine walking into a factory where machines predict their own maintenance needs. Production lines reconfigure themselves in real time, and every single component communicates its status to create a living, breathing manufacturing ecosystem. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now in the electric vehicle industry, and it's about to transform how everything gets made. The automotive sector is experiencing its most radical shift since Henry Ford introduced the assembly line. Leading electric vehicle manufacturers are pioneering what's called Industry 4.0, the fourth industrial revolution, where artificial intelligence, interconnected sensors, and cyber-physical systems create self-optimizing production environments. Here's why this matters to you as an engineer or technical professional. Traditional manufacturing relies on fixed processes and periodic quality checks. But Industry 4.0 transforms factories into intelligent networks, where every actuator, every sensor, and every robotic system shares real-time data. Linear actuators don't just move. They report their exact position, load conditions, and operational health continuously. Production lines adapt instantly to variations, catching defects before they happen. This revolution extends beyond automotive manufacturing. The same principles transforming electric vehicle production are reshaping how we build everything, from consumer electronics to industrial automation equipment. Smart sensors embedded in motion control systems enable predictive maintenance, reducing downtime by up to 70%. Machine learning algorithms optimize production flows, cutting waste and improving quality simultaneously. The convergence of physical and digital manufacturing creates unprecedented opportunities for innovation. Engineers who understand these principles can design systems that continuously improve themselves, learning from every operation to become more efficient over time. Want to dive deeper into how Industry 4.0 is revolutionizing manufacturing? Find the link in the description below to read the full article.